Everyone, Chandan here. Let me ask you a question. How much time did you spend creating your last architectural diagram for cloud solutions? 30 minutes? 1 hour? Maybe even 3 hours? Searching for icons, drawing arrows, aligning boxes, fixing spaces. And after all that effort, somebody says, hey, can you move this component slightly to the left? And your entire diagram breaks. As a cloud architect, DevOps engineers, and solution architect, we have all been there. But today, I'm going to show you an open source AI project that completely changes the game. This GitHub repository has over 5,000 stars and can generate professional architectural diagrams from simple English description in natural language. No draw.io, no Visio, no Lucidchart. Just describe your architecture and AI creates the diagram for you. Let's see it in action. What is this project? The project is called Architectural Diagram Generator by Cocoon AI. Instead of manually drawing diagrams, you simply tell AI what your system looks like. For example, create an AWS architecture with CloudFront, application load balancer, EKS cluster, Redis cache, Aurora database, and CloudWatch monitoring. That's it. The tool generates a beautiful dark theme architectural diagram as a standard HTML file. Open it in any browser. No additional software required. What's even more impressive is that it automatically organizes the components, create connections, applies color coding, and make the diagram presentation ready. Let me tell you step-by-step instruction on how to use it. Step 1. Open the GitHub repo, read the documentation, and copy the architectural diagram skill instruction. Step 2. Open Claude AI. This project was built specifically as a Claude skill. Step 3. Paste the skills instruction in Claude. Step 4. Describe your architecture. For example, create a highly available Azure architecture with ExpressRoute, Azure Firewall, Application Gateway, EKS cluster, Azure SQL database, Azure Monitor, or disaster recovery region. Step 5. Press enter. Within seconds, Claude generates a complete architectural diagram as a self-contained HTML file. Step 6. Save the generated HTML file, double-click it. Your browser opens a beautiful professional architectural diagram. You can share it with clients, architects, leadership teams, or engineering teams immediately. How to export your diagram? Open the HTML file in any modern browser and use the toolbar in the header. Copy a high-resolution PNG to your clipboard, paste straight into your slides, docs, or Slack. Download a high-resolution PNG file or a PDF. Download a PDF that preserves the dark theme. No install, no command line, just open the file, click and share with teammates. Now real-world use cases. Imagine you are preparing for cloud migration projects, AWS well-architected framework, Azure landing zone design, disaster recovery planning, security architectural review, Kubernetes platform design. Instead of spending hours drawing, you spend minutes describing. That's a massive productivity boost. My favorite feature, the feature I love most, is iteration. You don't start over, simply tell AI, add a WAF, web application firewall, add another region, add an API gateway, add a Redis cluster, and the diagram updates instantly. This feels like infrastructure as a code for architectural diagram. Let AI handles the diagram generation while architects focus on solving business problems. If you find this useful, follow and subscribe Tech Vengers for such awesome videos and be a tech superhero.